Hello friends, today we are discuss the Laravel. A new middleware is added in the Laravel, which is they have added in the release Laravel 7.12. The this middleware is known as the Trust Host middleware. So this middleware is added by the Taylor Artwell. And what is the purpose of this middleware? Using that middleware, you can trust on the different hosts, as well as if a host has a sub domain and its subdomain, you can trust on that on that host. So I have a fresh installation of the 7.12, and we will review that where this middleware is located and how we can use the functionality of this middleware, and we will review the code which is written by this middleware. So first of all, let's go to the kernel, which is this file, and you see that this middleware is by default is commented. So it is up to you. You can uncomment this code and you use it. Let me uncomment this middleware, and that is known as trust host. And if I will go to this, there is a method. That middleware, it is located in your app http middleware, and it is also extended by the trust host middleware. This is your actual middleware which is written by the Taylor Otwell, and he has given us the opportunity that we can override the functionality what we have to according to the host, according to our you can say that the implementation we want. So first of all, let's review this trust host. So let me go to this class, which is the middleware, and you see that this is a abstract class, and there is a one of the abstract method which is known as the host method. The meaning that this is very simple. You in the construct we are passing the application object, and there is a handle method which is execute on every request. So so first of all, it will check should specify trust host. If you will go to this function, it will only checking that the environment of the system, and also checking that the application is not running the test. If both conditions are true, that means the environment is not local, and the environment is not running the unit test. So it will set the request, it will set the host based on the request that is known. You can see that this is a request, and then it is calling the static methods set trusted host based on the this is the host method, this host. And if you see that this host method is right now is the abstract method, so that means we can do the implementation according to our requirement. Get the host pattern should be trusted. So this host method, Taylor Artwell written is here. This in the trust host app, illuminate http middleware trust host. So you can see that it will calling this method. As you know that we can rewrite this part, we can write or we can make the array by using our own requirement, or adding the values hard coded. But right now it is calling the all subdomains of the application URL. So that means it is um, trusting on all hosts, which is based on the subdomains of the current request. Like if we will call from one domain, which is your parent domain, and all the requests which are coming from their subdomain, they will be treated as a trusted host. And you can rewrite the implementation according to your logic. So it is not necessary that we will use the same way. We can write the on the host which we will trust on, we can write it here. But if we will I will see that this all subdomains of the application URL, this is also written here, which is the that means the trust host middleware, and he is passing the taking the URL from the app URLs and parsing and setting the all subdomains URLs. So that means it is just setting the expression, that is a pattern, on the base of that. If any subsequence requests which are coming from the subdomains, they will be treated as a trust host. So what I am trying to saying that you can write this method, or you can remove this part and manually add the host on which you can trust. Like if I will write there any domain that on which I can trust it, we can use it. So this is a very helpful method, and we can use it, and so that in that way, when the requests come to server, from the subdomains or any domain on which we can trust it, that will be bypass, that will be executed on the current server. I hope this is a new feature, or you can say that the new middleware which is added, and it was released in the Laravel 7.2 release, and you will read more about that. If you have any question or any query, you may comment on the video. Thank you.